You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French actor who was very popular at some point. If you want to learn more confusing French pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more videos for you. So, the French pronunciation first and how you can say it in English easily. Gérard is how it's pronounced, though it's not Gerard or just Gérard. You can say it Gérard in English or Gérard with a silent D in French. Depardieu is how you pronounce his last name, alright? So the E sound is very French, doesn't really exist in English. I mean, it's a bit like a schwa, you know? Like you say bug, well, it's kind of the same sound, right? Or not. Depardieu. So, in English, simply say Gérard Depardieu. Depardieu. Some may say Depardieu. No, it's not ou, it's e. Depardieu. Gérard Depardieu is how you can say it. Or French pronunciation, Gérard Depardieu. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.